All right, I think we are here. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, hi, Billy. Hi, Carol. Thank you so much for coming on. Do you ever just have one of those days where everything you try to do just, you're just hit with, I don't even know what it is, but my computer wouldn't charge, and your whole life is on your computer, even though you have backup, but if it doesn't come on because it's not charged, oh my gosh, it can just be a stressful day. But I am here now. I thought it would be fun. For those of you that are local, you might be on your lunch hour. I get all kinds of people from different time zones, and so here we are. I want to talk to you about a beautiful suite. But before I do that, for those of you coming on, thank you for coming on to Crafts a Latte right here. And my name is Terry Brummagem. I'm the proud owner of Crafts a Latte, where I get to come on and bring you all kinds of inspiration. I love to do ladies' night out. I love to get together with mom and kids, or grandma and kids, or sisters, whatever the case may be. If you are looking for an event to do with your family or friends, I am doing classes again in person, and I am obviously doing them here online. So if you have any interest, please let me know, and I would love to schedule a time to get together with you, or we can do it over the phone, whatever you would like. But this is a great time to do that because we have all kinds of perks going on right now. You get all kinds of free items because it's celebration, which is easy to do when you just grab some of your friends and have either coffee and a card, or wine down Wednesday, Friday night, whatever the case may be. So I was asked if I could come on and kind of explain to everybody how this suite works, because it could be intimidating, but when you see how it's done, just like the one I did Saturday with the Give It a Whirl dies, actually this, if in case you missed it, this is the one that I did. So I've got two different ones. This is called the Give It a Whirl dies. And just real quick, I'm going to show you because the arrows are telling me to turn. Look at how cute this is. Well, I came on to show you how to use those dies, which is what I'm going to do for today. And I'm going to show you some samples that I've been playing around with. So if you are interested at all in joining my monthly club, let me know. And all the details are in my newsletter. So if you haven't signed up for my newsletter, just message me, or you can sign up here on the Facebook page. So how beautiful is this set? Growing up, my sisters and my mom and I, we used to make macrame. And doesn't this remind you of that? So with that being said, let me go ahead and get started and show you all the fun pieces that are with this set. I'm going to kind of just show you some samples and how we arrive at doing it piece by piece. So with that being said, this is using the stamp set called Plentiful Plants. And then here are the coordinating dies. And remember that when you get them together, you're going to save an automatic 10%. So let me pull this out here so you can kind of see what that means. So these are dies, which means that you need to have a die cutting machine. We obviously hope that you will use the Stampin' Up's cut and emboss machine, but if you have your own die cutting machine, then that's great too. But when you buy the set together, you save 10%. So this is what everybody was kind of concerned about, like, oh my gosh, there's so many little pieces. But I'm going to show you how very easy it is to put these together. So here is one of the sheets of paper. And so I'm going to show you where, let me actually do it this way. So you can either stamp the images and then put the dies and run it through your machine. So I have shown you different ways that you can stamp, or you can just cut out the solids, or we have some really fun designer series paper that when you put the die on it, so I pre-did this, I don't know if you can tell, but the metal part is the die, and then you just run this through. Oh, thanks, Mama. Finally got on cute smiling. Yeah, my mom is the one who gets the runt of me not having a very good day. So I'm so blessed to have the support of my family, because I am trying to do this full time, and sometimes it gets hard trying to just have a blessed working day, as I'm sure all of you can attest. So anyway, This is a great way to punch these out. And then when you do that, for example, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So this is the die that I punched out, that one. And then you'll see that this one can either be cut out with the paper like so. So that was with the designer series paper. And this one I stamped. So you can kind of see the difference there. And let me make sure I put these dies back on magnetic sheets so that I don't lose them. And this one here, as you can see, I like to use washi tape. You can use a sticky note or whatever you have. I like to use it when I run it through the machine because I like to keep it in place. So this one is a fun cutout from the designer series paper. This one is a stamped image, just like so, and then this one is another one from the paper. So you can see how very versatile it is that you can either do, let me put this back on here as well. You can either do stamped images or cutout images, and these are all just showing you how this one's from the designer series paper, so it would go on the pot, or this one and this one and this one are just cut with the standard cardstock, which this one is a soft succulent evening evergreen, and then this is just showing you how you can layer it different ways and how different they can look when you use different colors. I love visuals, so you'll see that a lot for me. So if you ever buy any of our items from Stampin' Up, please let me know that you would like to know how to use it. And so I just want to show you real quick here that you can also take your stamp set and put it on the actual stamp set with the die, and it will show you how it's going to cut out. So they are typically true size images, so that's what it would look like if we had stamped it. So I think that that kind of explains how the dies work, but let me go ahead and show you. So I'm going to be doing this for my monthly club. So again, if you would like information about joining my monthly club, it's a 6-month commitment, and on your 6th month you end up with $25 worth of host credit, which you get to use for free. So you just have to come on to my club every month, and it's a surprise, and we get to have fun, and you end up with a lot of fun projects. Along with this suite, we have the Macrame 3D embossing folder. Look at how pretty this is. And I went ahead and ran it through so you could get a better idea. This is using the Evening Evergreen, which is a coordinating color, but look at how pretty and the detail on that. You could do all kinds of fun stuff with that. So I wanted to show you what we do with that. Let me show you real quick the paper, and then I'm going to show you some samples that I've done. So this here, let me show you just real quick what some of the paper looks like. So it is front and back, as you can see, and I'm just going to go through it real fast, okay? And again, it's front and back, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you real quick. I know that you're on your lunch break, and then here's the reverse side. Look at how fun. This can definitely be year-round, all kinds of fun. Hello, Santa chimney, right? So yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff that we are going to be doing with this. So this is the paper sample. And then we have some coordinating product. Look at how fun these are. This is the paper lattice. And one of the samples I have for you using the paper lattice is what was done is we just did some coloring. So let me actually open this for you so you can get the full effect. Okay, so you get these fun little laser cut. So you could either put it behind, which actually what I probably would have done too is you can see how this was used as a template to get the coloring for the background, but then maybe this could have been used as part of a table. So you can see that there's all kinds of different ways that you can use that. And on the back, it will tell you that there's 10 that comes to a package. And again, these are called the paper lattice. So real fun. And so that's a sample. And let's see here. What else can I show you? Oh, I do want to remind everybody that our catalog is a great resource for ideas. So if you have not received the catalog yet, please let me know. I do have it uploaded on our page. But again, I'm a visual hands-on person. I like to have stuff in front of me. So if you have not received a catalog and you're not working with another demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. And again, I do classes online through Zoom. I also come on live like I am right now. And then I am doing in-person classes. So please just reach out and let me know what you'd like. So these are samples and great inspiration. Okay, so it tells you different ways to do it. But if you're in question, we have what's called catalog sample recipes, where it's going to tell you everything that you need to make the project that is in the catalog. And those are called recipes, and those are also uploaded on my blog. Okay, and so let me go ahead and show you some fun things that I've made. Look at this cute little box. It just kind of reminded me of a greenhouse. And so I thought that was really cute. And, you know, everything that you see that I'm going to be showing you, you might think, oh my gosh, I'm not crafty at all. Well, that's why I get to come on with you, or come to your home, or come to a clubhouse or whatever, and show you how easy it is. So I am your inspiration for you to copy and learn how to do it. I have people that have said to me, oh, I'm not crafty at all. And you know what? They're my biggest supporters because they love it now. So look at this here. Look at how cute this is. This is a Tic Tac holder. And so I have a magnet in here, so I don't know if you can tell, but it just catches on there. I'm going to be making more of these for Christmas for my craft show. For those of you that are local, I have a bunch of family that are going to be also participating in the Emmanuel show. I think it's November 20th. So all of us are going to be there. So be on the lookout for some fun Christmas ones with this. But I thought that this was so cute. You could give it to teachers, your co-workers, just friends, your family. But look at how cute that is. Just so simple. And once you see that you just have to cut it out, I've shown you how to do some layering with it. It's easy to do. This one I did real quick yesterday with the mystery stamping. Just so cute, very simple. Sometimes simple is more. So that's a sample. And then here's another sample. I stamped directly with one of the sentiments on there. So you don't just need to stamp directly on like white or a different color, but you can also stamp directly on images. And this is that scalloped contour die that you've seen me use a lot, right? And this one, I mean, it's just so fun. I just love the look of these. Again, it brings back lots of fun memories. Okay, and this one, it's like a little window store with that cut out. So yeah, that's some of the stuff that I have to show you. I hope those of you that were wanting to kind of get a better idea of how you use the product, that I was able to help you with that and inspire you to want to get this bundle. And again, right now is celebration. So you could get the bundle to participate with us, right? And so for every $50 you spend on my online store, then you get to pick a celebration item. I'm also still running the ordering special that when you do order that $50 and you get your free celebration item, you also get to get my ordering special, and you will get everything you see here except for the stamping. So everything will be cut, scored, die cut, anything unless it needs to be stamped per Stampin' Up! Policy. I cannot do that. But I'm going to move this just real quick to show you. So yeah, there's 6 cards here that you would get the kits in the mail for free. If you don't want to spend the $50 to get celebration and you want to just buy the kits, let me know. I am going to start selling kits for $5. So again, if you want any of these, just please let me know. And then, do I have last month's that I still have a few left over? Nope, that's another post there. Alrighty, everybody. Well, I just want to thank you all again so much for supporting me and my small business. If I've given you inspiration today, there's 2 ways you can find me: at craftsalatte.com and also at terrybrummagem1.stampinup.net. Make sure that you use this host code when you're checking out, and make sure you are shopping with me. Now, tomorrow the host code will change, but that's okay. On my blog, craftsalatte.com, in the upper right corner, you will always find my host code. So everybody, thank you so much. Have a very blessed and wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you tomorrow night for Crafts a Latte. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Bye-bye.